Hi, I'm Amanda for the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and this is the All-Clad high-temp toaster oven. I'm loving it for so many reasons because it can do so many different things, like air fry, it can make bread, pretty much anything. But today, it's all about pizza. It actually allows you to make pizza in about half the time. And it's got this pizza shield that I'm going to use and put in front of the oven, and what will happen is it will trap all that heat in there, speeding up the process. You can see that I've already got my dough out, and I'm preheating a pizza stone in the oven. I'm just gonna keep mine really simple today. Beautiful tomato sauce. While I'm making my pizza, I'm gonna put the pizza shield in. Okay, let's do some mozzarella. And then I think I'll wait to put everything else on at the end, except for this pizza seasoning, which is so great. Oh my gosh, looks so good. You'll notice I put some semolina down on the bottom beneath my crust. That will keep it from sticking when I go to put it in the oven. My stone's preheated. On it goes. My pizza's ready. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, looks amazing. 6 minutes and it was done. You can also start with a frozen crust, but this one was just a fresh dough that I used. I'm gonna let it cool for a couple of minutes. Besides this awesome pizza setting, this countertop oven can do so many other things. It's a convection oven, so it heats up really quickly and browns your food really evenly. You can also do everything from air frying to dehydrating and of course making toast. Now let's finish the pizza. It would be great on its own, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more to it. Some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. And then for some heat, I'm adding some Calabrian chili. Now, how about a little bit of arugula? I love putting it on after. It's just gonna kind of wilt into the pizza and then finish with a little bit of olive oil. I can't believe how quickly this pizza cooked. To get these recipes and learn more about the All-Clad high-temp toaster oven, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.